Hi, my name is JHOEL TAMAYO, ACT13, Disassemble, Assemble to Intro to Computing. It works like a typewriter but sends the text directly on to the computer screen. Mouse. Mouse is an input device that controls the pointer on the computer screen. The monitor lets you see the results of your typing, browsing, gaming, or watching movies. Here, if the monitor shows what you see, the speaker lets you hear what the computer is doing. Bilang ka. Okay na. DVD means digital video disc, also called digital versatile disc. It first came out in the late 1990s to take the place of VHS tapes, which were big and had lower picture quality. Without PSU, a computer cannot turn on because no electricity is sent to the system. RAM is like a whiteboard. You can write on it while working, but once erased or the power is off, everything disappears. An HDD works like a record player. It has spinning disks inside that read and write data. Computer case, protective housing that contains and cools all the internet components.